Well, today on Draw Stuff Real Easy, I'm going to show you how to draw a downhill alpine skiing speed kind of pictogram, we call it. And this is this particular kind of design is from the Pyeongchang Winter Olympics. So I'm going to start with this thing kind of line going horizontal across there. Now do not press hard on your pencil. We are just sketching this out. And in fact, what we're after is a bit of a curve. So this is going to be the back of our skier. And then we want that to come pretty well around into a nice curve coming around like that. So we're just kind of sketching this out and working this out. It wants to come up a bit there. And then we want that head quite high because he's kind of got his neck right up. He's looking forward where he's going. Or she, of course. And it's not exclusively male sport. And then we want roughly about 45 degrees straight down here. And then we want that coming down again, pretty much sort of 45 degrees, 90 degrees-ish. Well, no, not quite 90 degrees-ish to this one, but and this is slightly curved inwards there. So we've got that kind of curve there, which kind of represents the calf muscle. And then we want these skis, which are going to be, they're kind of chopped off square at that end, and then they're kind of slightly angled at the front. And then we're going to want another ski, which is going to go slightly wider. These need to be parallel. And then we can draw that leg going back there. And then this is going to be kind of pointing up that way, and then we're going to want the ski pole coming back like that. So let's draw that head in like that, and then you can slightly curve around rather than have really hard edges there, but here we can have a definite straight line, and that's going to go up into there. We want this to be going straight across, so in fact we're going to fill this in a minute so that can go straight across like that, and then that will come to there. And then we want to follow this line around there, nice curve, pretty much straight down the thigh, and then curve around to the into the calf and into the ski itself. So here we go there, and that's a pretty sharp line there. And then we want to curve that around and curve it around into the ski. Let's draw that ski all the way across there, straight down at the back. We want this to be nice and parallel all the way, and then slightly forward there. Now this ski at the back is going to go through this leg, so we can do that. And we want to keep these skis parallel, or otherwise our skier is going to fall over and damage themselves. And that would be painful. So we can do that. And then out like that, across and back. Now this is why it's important to do that sketching really, really lightly, because when the ink is dry, and make sure it's dry, then you can erase all those pencil lines. If you press too hard, they get grained into the paper, and you don't want that. And now I'm just going to fill in all those areas in between. Hey look, if you're still watching, you're obviously interested in drawing and stuff like that, so come down here and you see that subscribe button, click that and subscribe to Draw Stuff Real Easy. Come back for more drawings every week, random stuff to get you drawing all sorts of things. And there you go, how to draw an alpine skiing speed pictogram for the Pyongyang Games of 2018. Make sure you're subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy and keep coming back every week for lots more drawings. In the meantime, keep drawing, 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 practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.